Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review tutorial type thing on a new product I am very excited for. I'm not sure if the product is so much new, but I saw Jcat Beauty post an Instagram post about this palette. It's called the Fantasy Dreamland palette, and it says that it was only going to be available at Ulta. And the palette looked so gorgeous I couldn't even pass it up, and it was so affordable. You get an eyeshadow palette, an eyeliner, a mascara, and an eyeshadow primer, all for $20. And it did come in this case that I have right here. So I actually did not try out the eyeshadow primer today because I just honestly didn't even think about it until after I was already done with my eyeshadow. It's in a nude color. You can see it right there. It is a little sticky. It kind of is comparable to like the Urban Decay one that is that nude color. Texture-wise, I don't really know performance-wise. Also, I'm not sure if they sell this separately, but it's just called the All About That Base and it's nude shadow primer. And then it came with the Rock and Glitz liquid liner. Looks like that. It's just in the color Tuxedo Mask. I don't know. It's black, okay? It's black. So this is what it looks like right here. And this one I actually did use today. It is a felt tip liner. This honestly, okay, it's very, very creamy, and I like that I don't have to like shake it up, go back, shake it up, and go back. But it is not the blackest eyeliner. I felt like I had to keep going over the line. Like, don't get me wrong, like, it's nice and smooth and it went on, but it just takes a lot to kind of build up the black that you're looking for. I know some people like this type of stuff. They don't like super dark liners. So in that case, yes, this is great because this is kind of like one of the better drugstore black, like, pen eyeliners I've used. But just in terms of like how black I want it to be, it's just not there. And then the last thing, again, I did not use this one either. This is the Jcat Beauty Love Live Lash Lengthening Mascara. And this is the packaging right here. And that is the wand right there. I didn't really use this because I always use false lashes. And I'm not really like big on mascaras. The only mascara that like I love and it's like my ride or die is that MAC mascara I use in the bottom of my lash line. But other than that, like, and mascara is a mascara to me. I just put it on to coat enough and then I put my fake lashes on. But it's okay that I didn't really use the other stuff because our main focus today is on this palette right here. So it's called the Fantasy Dreamland palette and the packaging is so cute. It does have like this type of thing going on. You can just throw the other part away. This is how it looks right here. I'm going to try not to blind you with the mirror. You get 21 shades and they're all right here. They are gorgeous. I'm not going to sit here and swatch all of the shades, but I'm going to swatch a few of them. I'm going to make sure I swatch the ones that I haven't used on my eyes. So I'm going to swatch this one right here in the corner. I'm going to swatch the one right next to it. Why not? So there are some of the shimmers right there. Very, very pigmented, very beautiful. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one, and this one. Those are them right there. Don't get me wrong, some of the mattes are a little bit powdery, I've noticed, but I mean, for the price of this, it's really, really good. And they're nothing you can't work with from what I've noticed so far, actually putting it on my eyes. Watch this one, and let's do this one up here. So there are the last three swatches that I'm gonna do. Also, I'm not sure why I keep going like, oh, I'm going to swatch this one, this one, and this one, because they actually do have names. I'm just not used to that in a drugstore palette, especially a drugstore palette with this much of like, this many eyeshadows. I'm not used to it. So, they're very, very cute names too, like Three Wishes, Lost Key, Legend, Daydream, Queen. Very, very cute names, and these are just such good quality for how much you pay for it. I'm very, very impressed so far. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to look at the eye look that I did today, the tutorial part, and then I'm going to catch back up with you with my last thoughts of it. I'm taking Wonderlust and I'm just applying that all throughout my crease. I'm taking this pretty high up to my eyebrow because I want this to be like the lightest shade of like the gradient I have going on. But then I'm taking a darker brown and I'm basically focusing that more on the like outer part of my eyeshadow I have going on, and then I'm going to blend it out. I usually use tape to help me with my like outer corners to have like a really sharp look, but I couldn't find any. So I'm just basically doing as best as I can with this and blending it out and trying to make it look as smoky as I can. And then I'm taking the black shade. I do not know the name of this one either. I'm sorry, you guys, but you guys can see which one I'm pointing at. But I am focusing this on my very outer V and just blending it up and out. Alright, and I actually do know the name of the next eyeshadow. It's Three Wishes. It's like a really dark gold bronze color, and I'm just applying that all over my lid. Alright, so then I'm taking the matte cream color, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone with that. And then after this, you're going to see me take my Beauty Blender just to clean up the outer corners of my eyeshadow. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow look that I came up with for this palette. And I do believe all I did was I used the Wonderlust Hero Lost Key and Three Wishes. That's all I used for this eyeshadow look. Very, very simple, very easy to do. Wonderlust is very easy just to throw in my crease and have everything look smoked and blended out. I did have a little bit of problem with Hero trying to blend it out, but nothing that I obviously couldn't do because it's all blended out now, but I did have a little bit of trouble with that. Lost Key is, I mean, I'll go ahead and put that on my finger really quick and swatch it on the back of my hand, but it's not a special black, I'm not gonna lie, it's not. I just wanted to wear black eyeshadow today. Of course I made it work, but it's not like your typical dark, matte, buttery black. It's very, very hard to get blacks good. Typically in any drugstore palette that has a black, they're all usually not good. So I didn't have high hopes in terms of the black, but I could make it work. So, but yeah, I love this palette. I highly recommend it. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. Obviously, I'm not big enough on YouTube to like have affiliate codes, or they're not sponsoring the video, so you don't have to worry about clicking on it and not getting anything from it. But I do highly, highly recommend it. I think for $20 that you can't beat it, especially getting other stuff to try out. Even if you don't think you're going to use a mascara, eyeliner, or the eyeshadow primer, it would just be nice just to have. But I think it's definitely worth it for this palette. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I think that everybody should have a really good, stable drugstore eyeshadow palette. I think this one honestly is going to be it for me. I'm just so blown away that they actually have this good of a selection for such an affordable price. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!